Okay, quick review of the blynk app and a couple features. So whenever you load up the BRX configurator by scanning it and copying it onto your server or onto your device, however you're doing it, whether it's a blynk server, local server, or if it's the online server, it doesn't matter. What you need to make sure you're doing is getting the right authorization token to copy and paste into your code for the ESP8266 device. Okay, so how you get there is the setting box right next to the play button. There's a little gear icon in the top right corner. You click on that and it opens up the project settings. Now, if you can change the name if you wanted to of your project, it doesn't matter. You can change some cool features like making it a light color or a dark color. And you can customize it a little bit however you like to. But what we're talking about right now is the authorization token section where it says refresh and email. So this crazy weird number, alphanumeric number that's there, that is the authorization token that needs to be copied and pasted into your specific code that you're using on your server or your ESP8266 LCD device. So each LCD ESP8266 device needs this code copied and pasted onto it. A new one is generated when you download it, so you don't get the same one that I created and that's already in the code. So you need to overwrite that section that it's called out, and I've got a video showing where that's at in the code. So you can, if you're online and you've logged into with the email account, you can email it to yourself with the button. You can change it by refreshing it, whatever you want to do. Recommend not refreshing it ever, because then you have to change your code and you'll never go back to the original one that's there. So what you can do though is if you just simply click on the letters and the purple letters there on the screen, like I just did, it says copied to clipboard. See that again? Copied to clipboard. Now I can go to an email app or a web browser on my phone or device and email that code to myself. Just paste it in an email and send it to me, so I can have it on my computer and paste that into the ESP8266 LCD device code in the Arduino IDE code program. Okay, so that's it. Just tap on it, click it, copy it, and then email it to yourself, and then paste it into the code section. Now this has to be put in every single device, so make sure you copy it over. We're only using one LCD and blynk device that's listed here for the ESP8266 for doing this. Every single tagger will have its own ESP8266 and its own ESP32 BLE device that are wired together, and this is put in on the code for the ESP8266. And that this is used to connect all the guns to the server, and the code is modified internally to be able to track the scoring differently later on when we get to that point and include the scoring systems. But that's coming later. But for now, this is how you're going to be able to program each of your guns.